so much kindergarten pupils. Although our school directress is not here to celebrate this presentation with us, she has made sure that she will still be part of our celebration by sending a video message. May I request everyone to please be seated and remain silent as we watch a special message for all of us.
Allow me to start with just 3 little words. Thank you, Lord. And that covers everything. We break the distance. I'm here with you at this moment. God has provided us a means to be together, so I can express my warmest greetings and gratitude to everyone. A million thanks to all of you who have who have made this event a big success. Thank you for your efforts to come up with a special program for our kindergarten movers as the school year 2023-24 ends. First of all,